There are so many stories we hear about where entrepreneurs are being hunted down online by investors and thrown millions of dollars to get their business off the ground. Well, let's be honest, that's not happening for most of us, and it didn't happen to me. Today, we're going to talk about the types of business loans available, how to get a small business loan, and the process of applying for one. Hi everyone, I'm Natasha Ivanovich. I'm head of social media at Tailor Brands and a fellow small business owner myself for content writing, and your host for Tailor Brands Business Lab. Our channel is dedicated to helping small businesses get up and running. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for new videos and leave a comment below so we can help turn your idea into a business. So many small business owners turn to business loans to help them get started. But what are some of the reasons you may need one? Well, you may need a business loan due to cash flow, advertising, hiring, or an emergency. If you're experiencing any of the above, it may be time to consider getting a business loan. Okay. How do you get one? How to get a small business loan. Before you get a small business loan, there's one important thing you need to be clear on, and that's our first step. Why you need the business loan. Not only do you need to know for yourself, but lenders will also be asking you this very question. Typically, business owners apply for business loans for the following reasons: to start their businesses, including rent, equipment, and utilities; to manage day-to-day expenses, whether it be paying for employees or having extra cash flow; to grow their business. Perhaps you want to outsource or expand your business; to have an emergency fund. Listen, things happen. Having an emergency fund can help prevent your business from sinking. Understanding why you need the loan will help you decide how much you'll ask for. A loan calculator can help you determine how much you'll want to borrow, which will help you choose the right loan for your business. Step number 2, choosing the right loan for your business. Now that you know why you want a business loan and how much you need, it's time to decide which type of loan is right for you. Well, you have a couple options. Term loans. You borrow a specific amount of money upfront and pay it back with interest. It's one of the most common loans available, but to get a term loan, you'll need to show a history of profitability. Business lines of credit. If you're a business owner who wants a cash cushion for cash flow gaps or emergencies, a business line of credit may be a good option for you. SBA loans. The U.S. Small Business Administration, SBA, doesn't give out business loans, but partially guarantees loans from banks and other lenders. This type of loan is best for businesses that don't meet bank eligibility criteria, but have good credit. Equipment financing. This type of loan is for businesses who need to purchase or lease business equipment, vehicles, or machinery. Microloans. If your business just needs a small amount of money to reach your next goal, a microloan is a good option. Microloans are up to $50,000 and come from nonprofit lenders like Kiva. Invoice financing. Invoice financing is when you use your outstanding invoices to get a cash advance from a lender. If you have a cash flow problem resulting from an unpaid invoice, this may be a good option for you. You can use the advance to cover expenses, payroll, etc. Personal loans for business use. Both bank and lenders offer personal loans for business use. These loans are based on your personal finances and credit. If you have a good credit score of 650 and above, this may be an option for you. One thing to note is that these loans are small, amounting up to $35,000. Go through these loans and see which one is best suited for your business, but we highly recommend that you speak with a financial advisor before committing to any business loan. Step number 3, determine whether you need a business plan. Depending on which lender you choose to receive your loan from, more traditional institutions do require you to have a business plan. A business plan is an outline of your business. It provides a roadmap for how your business will grow and shows lenders whether your idea is good or not. We have a great blog post on how to write a business plan. Don't worry. It's posted in the video description below. Step number 4, determine the lender you'll receive the loan from. You can get a business loan from various lenders, including banks, micro lenders, and other online lenders. Do a little small business loan shopping, making sure you receive the best rates and fees. In general, you should opt for a bank loan when you have collateral, have good credit, and don't need quick cash. Opt for micro lenders when you can't get a traditional loan because your business is too small. Opt for online lenders when you lack collateral, you need quick funding, you lack the time of being a business. Step number 5, get your documents prepared. Each lender may require different documents for its small business loan application. However, most likely you'll need the following documents: information about your business, including your business name, address, tax ID, and business plan. Financial statements, including your annual revenue, tax returns, bank account statements from both the business and business owner. Details about the business owner. This includes your social security number and information of partners, if you have any. Information about your collateral. Some lenders require you to put up a collateral, which could be real estate or equipment. This will secure your loan. Mention the type of collateral and how much it's worth. Your personal guarantee. Most lenders require you to sign a personal guarantee for your business loan. This guarantee states that you, the borrower, are responsible for paying the loan with your personal assets if your business defaults. You can apply for more than one small business loan to cover your bases. Once you apply for your business loan, the next step is to wait for the reply. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments about starting your business, let us know in the comment section below. Bye.